There is a question in 10th class ICSE Computer, a confusing question, question number 18. Assertion is given. A static method can access static and instance variables. This is a static method. Can it access both static and instance variables? Here, A is the instance variable, and B is the static variable. So, this static method can access both variables. You see, B is the static variable, no error, no syntax error. But here, a comment is given. Remove this comment. Now see, there is an error. What is the error? Non-static variable, A, cannot be referenced from a static context. That means a non-static variable cannot be accessed by a static method. Non-static variables cannot be accessed by static methods. So, a static method cannot access a non-static instance variable. Now, come to the reason part. The reason given is, a static variable can be accessed only by a static method. That means the static variable B can only be accessed by a static method. B is accessed by the static method. Yes, true. But the word only is given, which means a static variable cannot be accessed by a non-static method. Now, let's check this. Take a non-static method, public void display. This is a non-static method. Let us check whether the static variable is accessible or not. Inside the method, system.out.println, B. Now, compile. No syntax error. So, a static variable can be accessed by both static and non-static methods. So, the reason is false, and the assertion is also false. So, your answer is D. Assertion and reason both are false.